In module 106, we will discuss policy initiatives and emphasis on in-service professional development in Pakistan. In this module, we will discuss that for the teachers, what kind of the programs of the trainings or the initiatives are being taken by the Pakistan government or through the Pakistan government for the teachers, and in what way the professional development aspects of the teachers are being taken care of by the government. Uh, it has been the teacher training in Pakistan has passed through different phases, and there has been, especially in the late 90s, there has been the criticism that the teacher training in the Pakistan needs more improvement, more modifications, and it should it requires immediate improvement in terms of the quality, in terms of the content, in terms of the duration, in terms of the holistic approach. In Pakistan, there has been a very important teacher training project that was launched by government of Pakistan with the help of the donors. That was teacher education program in 2008. That program was based on the development of the teachers' competencies and the revamping and revising, modifying, modernizing the curriculum of the teacher education. And different agencies, different donors like DFID and the USAID were approached, and they showed their keen interest for the improvement and revising the teacher education programs in Pakistan. And through these initiatives and the new programs like Associate Degree in Education and Bachelor in Education honors degree was introduced. And in the 2009 education policy, the reforms of the teacher education programs were introduced. And then there has been, from 2008 and 9, there has been coordination between the government and the international agencies for the improvement of the teacher education programs, professional development, in-service training of the teachers, and introducing new programs and the new curriculum and the modern curriculum for the teacher education programs in Pakistan. So one of the examples said that the National Teacher Education Accreditation Council was established during those days, and through the help of by the government of Pakistan with the help of the different international agencies. And in that project, 10 professional standards were introduced that were subject matter knowledge, human development and human growth and development, knowledge of Islamic and ethical values, instructional planning and strategies, assessment, learning environment, effective communication and the proficient use of the ICTs, collaboration and the partnership, continuous professional development and code of the conduct, and the last one was of the teaching of the English as a second language. And these 10 professional standards were based, each of them were based on the three components. One was the knowledge, other was the disposition, and the third one was the performance. That's the skills. And that I already mentioned that the accreditation council, because the teaching is a profession, for the profession there has to be professional bodies to monitor, to look after the affairs of that profession. So that accreditation council was based on, has different standards for the program, teacher education program, 7 standards. For the teacher competencies, 10 professional standards. And the 7 standards of the teacher education programs were curriculum and instruction, assessment and evaluation system, physical infrastructure and the facilities of the department for running that program, human resource development, financial and management, research and scholarship, community links and the outreach. There is a need of the restructuring of the programs, because we have in Pakistan the oldest system was the vernacular degrees, and SV, senior vernacular, JV, junior vernacular, then PTC, then CT, then 1-year B.Ed programs, and then these were the traditional or oldest programs. That's why there was the need of restructuring the teacher education programs, because our system before 90s it was accepted and there was very light very slight criticism. But after 90s, there has been severe criticism on the teacher education programs, claiming that teacher education program of the Pakistan is even inferior as compared to our region, to the SAARC countries. Therefore, the efforts were taken into considerations, and the very important changes were made in the teacher education program. And therefore, these old programs of the CT and PTC were replaced with the new programs that was very clearly mentioned in the education policy of 2009. Current teacher education programs are very important. We have two teacher education programs. One is associate degree in education after completing 12 years of education, means intermediate. One has, if one intends to go to opt for the teaching at the school level, then has to complete 2-year education or go for 4-year education. 2-year is associate degree education, and if one has to go for the 4-year, that is associate bachelor degree of education. The associate degree of education is for 2 years, and if I go for associate degree of education after completing my 12-year of education, that is intermediate, then 13-year and 14-year, I will get a degree of associate degree in education. Then I go and practice as an elementary school teacher or the primary school teacher. And if I don't want to go to practice and get appointment of teaching in the schools, I can continue as a third-year student and join the B.Ed 3rd year and the 5th semester of the B.Ed programs, and for the completion of the 4-year degree program. This is the new degree program in Pakistani teacher education setup. And the associate degree education is based on the 64 to 68 credit hours, and similarly the B.Ed for honors degree, that's a 4-year degree program, that's based on 124 to 136 credit hours. And for both the associate degree in education and for B.Ed degree in education, 15 credit hours are dedicated for the internship or the practice teaching, that the trainee teacher has to go to be attached with the schools for completion of the internship of the practice teaching or the school administration practices, etc. So as I said, that curriculum has been modernized. The focus is on the disposition, knowledge, and the performance, and the ICTs is also one of the important focus, and the skills and the required for living in the globalized world. So this is very important aspect, new system of the teacher education. We can say with the intervention of with the support rather of the international agencies, the government of Pakistan has modified the teacher education programs that meets the needs of the modern system of teacher education as good as of our region.